What is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to resync your key with your Audi. I've just removed the battery on mine to charge it up. I've put it back in and you can see now this is no longer synced up with the car. So the method that I've heard that you can use is you basically put the key in, turn it and hold the unlock button for about 20 seconds and that should sync the car back up. Now hopefully you can see here that the red light is still working, so it's still got power. It's just that it's not recognizing the car. So let's go ahead and try this. Apparently some people have to do this 10 times, which seems a bit excessive, but I'm gonna try it. So we'll put it in, turn it one and hold this for 20 seconds. You can see the red LED is flashing. Okay, let's turn that back off and let's see if that's worked. Oh, there we go, it's worked first time. So that is what you have to do to sync your key back up. If it doesn't sync back up, just keep doing that process and eventually I think it will sync up. So thanks for watching, I hope this was useful. I'll be back with more videos very soon.